Today, March 27th, Apple unveiled the new iPad. It's regular price $329, but for schools it's $299. It supports Apple Pencil, 10-hour battery life, A10 chip, which was in the iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, I believe, which that processing chip is still up to par. And this new iPad is newer, it's cheaper, and less expensive than the latest iPad mini, which is the iPad mini 4. This event was about an hour long. The majority of it was about how Apple wants to incorporate more iPads and iCloud services within schools. So there's a new software platform called ClassKit they have created. Some apps that are already available have AR capabilities, such as dissecting a frog within the app using your Apple Pencil. It's pretty crazy. And there's another app, it's called Boulevard AR, and you could walk through a museum and interact with ancient artifacts. The new iPad has no design change or anything like that. It just supports Apple Pencil. The battery is maybe a little bit better than before, but it's still a regular iPad to me. So for schools, you have 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage, which they're giving you. I do not know for sure, because they weren't specific about it, if the 200 gigabytes is for a student or per student or per teacher or per school. They weren't clear about that. But looking it up right here on screen, 200 gigabytes for yourself is $3 a month. I wish Apple streamed the event, but a later video of the whole event will show up because there's some missing details. Like, I really want to know if the 200 gigabytes is for the school. I have a gut feeling it's for the school or for each school, but who knows, we'll see. So now I'm taking a look at the new Apple website, or the tab for the iPad, and it's showing all of the information they showed or presented in the event. So if you want to have more information on that, just go to the website and click the iPad tab. And here's one other thing they didn't tell us. They are selling space gray accessories individually now, which were only exclusive to the iMac Pro. And here's another cool thing. They are having third-party Apple Pencils now. Logitech has made one. It's called Logitech Crayon. It's $50. It probably works just as good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. See you in the next video.